I want to give you guys a concept. As I was on the plane from Maryland last night that I was thinking about, and this is so important for us to think about, because this is really where our sales training and what we're doing as a group is very different from typical training. And I want you to think about the difference between irritation and agitation. Irritation, like you think, oh, I got something in my eye, right? Oh, I got a rock in my eye. You really want to get the rock out of your eye. But irritation is trying to get somebody to do something by making them uncomfortable. Irritation is trying to get somebody to do something because you want them to do it. That rock is irritating, right? Which is causing that person pain, is causing that person, it's forcing that person to take it out of their eye. Agitation is getting somebody to do something because they wanted to do it. And I just want you guys, between now and next week's call, to have that in the back of your mind, the differences between irritation and agitation, right? And the repercussions of them. You can get what you want doing both. Let me give you an example. Let's say I was leasing luxury apartments. Irritation would be, Alex, if you don't rent this apartment, it's going to be gone. Somebody's going to take it and you're going to lose your apartment. You don't want to lose your apartment, do you? That's irritation. Alex might lease the apartment, but Alex is going to be exponentially less likely to renew his lease because Alex felt pressured into it. Versus, hey Alex, makes perfect sense. This is an important decision. You're going to have to go to bed here every night. You're going to have to wake up here every morning. You're going to build your life here. I get it. If you want to think about it, I totally understand. I want you to find the perfect home for you. Based on everything that you've told me and my understanding of the market, I think we found it here. But only you can make that decision. So if you need to wait, I'm okay with that. But I just need to be clear on something. I cannot hold the apartment for you. So if we lose this one, don't worry, I will work with you to find the next best one, whether it's at this property or one of our sister communities. Fair enough? And now all of a sudden Alex is going to go, whoa, I don't want to lose this one. I get it, but I need to think about it. I understand that too. But you have to understand the position that I'm in. I can't hold it because I've got appointments this afternoon. Does it make sense to complete the paperwork, fill out and do the deposit and lock this in? Yeah, it does. And then Alex, come renewal time, is going to be exponentially more likely to renew his lease in that apartment because Alex made the decision to do it based on his reasons, not by me saying, if you don't do this, you're going to lose this. The way people rent apartments has changed. Today's renter has access to more information. Today's renter has more choices. The apartment industry needs you. Studies have shown that moving is the most stressful life event. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of leasing apartments in a way that's meaningful to you and your renters and get you 7 times more leases. I'll show you how the perfect leasing process works. I'm going to walk you through everything from answering the phone to closing the lease. I'm going to show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so that you can build value in your apartments. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm going to show you how to connect with your renter so it's easy for them to rent with you. I've taught the best property management companies and thousands of people just like you how to lease apartments. Property management is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm going to show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career, it's going to make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or property management before. And for the advanced property manager, I'm going to show you how to take things to the next level. Leasing University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective. We're going to help you become a rock star in property management. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Leasing University.